capital letter. English alphabet. A, B, C, D. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bus. B for bus. C for car. C for car. D for dump truck. D for dump truck. E for excavator. E for excavator. F for forklift. F for forklift. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for house. H for house. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nurse. N for nurse. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for coil. Q for coil. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for swan. S for swan. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.